And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:43 this morning. Let's get the latest on Tropical Storm Gordon. It is still a tropical storm. The latest, if you were asleep last night, it did make landfall as a strong tropical storm. 70-mile-per-hour sustained winds with gusts around 80 miles per hour. So we were seeing some hurricane force wind gusts. Technically, it didn't make landfall as a hurricane, but the difference between a strong tropical storm and a weak hurricane really is just a difference of a name. The impacts are essentially the same. And what you'll notice is look at all the rain on the east side of this system, and there's not much on the western side. So the flash flooding has been around the center and to the east, and we think that's still going to continue to be the case for much of the day today, but then we think the rain is going to get a little bit more organized around the center. The latest update from the National Hurricane Center, this literally just came in because we're getting surface observations around the Jackson, Mississippi area, and we're no longer seeing sustained winds of tropical storm strength. So this is now Tropical Depression Gordon, but we're still seeing some gusts in the neighborhood of 40 to 45 miles per hour. It's still moving pretty good right now at 14 miles per hour. That's a good thing. We want this thing to move fast, but all the models are saying it's going to slow down. So now we're getting to the point where the winds, there might still be a little bit of wind damage around the Jackson area, a few tree limbs coming down, but we really think this is going to be more of a rainmaker, and a rainmaker for a long period of time. Let me highlight for you how long we're going to be talking about this thing, because this is tonight, tomorrow night, Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night. So yes, we're going to be talking about Gordon, what's left of it, a remnant low, through the weekend, and it's going to be dumping rain. We think parts of Arkansas, Missouri, Iowa, and Illinois have the potential to see 7 to 8 inches of rain. That's what we've already seen along the Gulf Coast where it made landfall. So flash flooding is going to continue well to the north. Now, we're not going to be seeing that kind of rain, but our rain chances are higher today and tomorrow. And though most of us are only going to see around a ½ inch rain, there is a possibility that a couple spots could see around 2.5 inches. But we are not under a flash flood watch. We are not concerned about the flash flooding that they're going to be seeing to our north and east. 11 a.m., I think that's the key time when things are really going to start ramping up. There'll be a couple of showers around this morning, but the scattered activity will begin around lunchtime when the sea breeze normally sets up. I think the peak of the activity is going to be around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Scattered showers and thunderstorms around. By 7 o'clock, things are going to be winding down, but once we get past 7, I still think there are going to be a couple showers through the overnight hours here and there, and that'll be the case for tomorrow morning. Kind of like this morning, a couple showers, but not a lot of rain. But in the afternoon tomorrow, the activity is going to ramp up once again, and we're calling for scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon, just like today. And a pretty cloudy day, too. There'll be some pockets of sunshine, but more clouds than sun overall. Now, by 10 o'clock tomorrow evening, I think things quiet down, and then for Friday through the weekend, it's back to just isolated shower storms. So today and tomorrow are our best chances of rain, and today and tomorrow are going to be our coolest days. In fact, this forecasted high of 94 is the coolest temperature we've forecasted in a month. Overall, a 60% chance of rain during the day today, a mostly cloudy day, and the wind's not very strong, just 5 to 10 miles per hour. It could get gusty at times if you get right under a thunderstorm, but otherwise the winds are not going to be strong. Tonight, mostly cloudy. We'll still leave in a 20% chance for some showers, lows around 77. So we're going to go with scattered storms for the afternoon tomorrow, too. So again, between today and tomorrow, very likely that you will see rain at some point. Now, starting Friday, it's back to isolated showers and storms, but we do have a 30% chance of rain every day, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, into Tuesday. I do think it's not going to be that breezy until we get to Tuesday, and with partly to mostly cloudy skies and still some decent rain around, I think our temperatures will stay in the mid-90s, which is normal for this time of year.